Welcome to the lab. Today you get an overview of how to distill the essential oil from the samples that we collected in the field. These oils are the fundamental elements of our product. Analyzing them is critical. Let's get started. Safety is very important in the lab, just like it is in the field. It is vital to follow good manufacturing practices. When you're back in the lab, prepare your equipment and identify your sample. Then, it's time to chop. When chopping, only chop the samples and not your fingers. Chop into small, even pieces that will fit into your flask. Place the sample in your flask and weigh it until it reaches the desired weight. The sample weight varies depending on the procedure. Record your sample weight without the flask and cork, of course. Label and record your measurements. To help keep an even boil, you will need to add 3 to 4 boiling rocks to the sample. Fill the flask with the required amount of distilled water. Make sure you get all the sample off the walls. Everything's in there. Select your desired trap and adapter as needed. Then we're going to fill up the trap with more distilled water and attach it to our sample. If the samples are being sent away for analysis, the procedure is slightly different. You'll need to add toluene into your trap with the distilled water. Once you have everything assembled, then you'll place it on the burner and attach the equipment to the condenser to boil. The first hour is critical. This is the time your sample might boil over and potentially ruin the results, so keep a close eye on it. The sample needs to boil for 4 hours. The volatile oil will accumulate in the trap. When your 4 hours are up, read, record, and collect the oils. This is for in-house use only. While distilling, prepare your vials and labels. Sodium sulfate will be added to the vials with the volatile oil. The cleaning process is also a critical step that prevents contamination for future samples. Clean all glassware and utensils that were used. The whole distillation process can be ruined by sloppy cleanup. Remember that the lab work influences key decisions, so strive for excellence. This is just an overview of lab procedure. Your actual training goes into much more detail, so make sure to pay attention. We hope that you are as excited as we are to optimize the flavor of our product.